Here we are on the last tab related to envelopes in Program Edit. And we're gonna have fun with that pitch. I'm Peter and you're watching Creative Therapy. From any screen, press Program Edit, followed by triple tap on the envelope until you see the Env Pitch. The structure is exactly the same as in the other envelope screens. It's divided in 3 columns. First column is very straightforward. It allows us to change and fine-tune the pitch globally. In another word, at once for the whole program. This is also our starting value from which our envelope will begin if the attack is set, and the value of our decay will be heading towards if that is defined as well. One thing you have to remember is the depth has to be set either way from the value of 0 for the envelope to be audible. Here's a quick example without the envelope, and now one with it. First, without any depth set, the depth below 0, and now with the value above 0. And that's what makes the depth so interesting. If the envelope is not set, it works in conjunction with the global settings, as an extra range of pitch if you like. And with the envelope used, although it does the same, it sounds as if it was determining the direction pitch is supposed to take while being modulated. Let's try it out. If the depth is set to a value below 0, the playback starts with the global pitch value. It then gets pitched down until it reaches the peak, then it holds that value, and during the decay part it goes back to the pitch value which it started at, so the global one. If the depth is set above 0, as you've probably guessed, the sound gets pitched up, stays that way for a short while, and then it gets pitched back down to the global value. Velocity modulation makes the light tap resulting in the playback of the sample as close as possible to the value set globally. Stronger the tap, higher the pitch is applied. And the rest lies in your imagination. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. If you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. That's all for this one. Stay occupied.